Today, I'll be singing the story of the honest woodcutter. So, once upon a time, there was an honest and an extremely hardworking man whose name was Alan. And unfortunately, Alan was born in a family which was completely filled with thieves. Uh, all the members of Alan's family, like his father, mother, his brother, his cousins, and all of them were basically thieves, and they had no respect for each other. And as I said, Alan was very honest and hardworking. So he did not choose the path of his ancestors, and did not and he did not he did not do things like stealing, like robberies and etc. He always worked hard for his living, and he never took the money which came from stealing from his family members. And no matter how hard Alan tried to convince them to be as normal men, like the men who do not cheat and work hard for their living, they won't change no matter how hard he tried. So Alan, one day, he was completely sick of his family, he walked out of his house. He had no he, currently then he had no home to live in. So he was searching for a job, and he found none. And while he was searching for a job, while he was on a road, walking towards an job, he saw an old lady coming towards him, and she was not she looked very feeble, and she did not look normal, and she also had some apples in her hand. She accidentally dropped all the apples on the road, and she was too old and too feeble to pick them up. So Alan, instead of her picking it up, Alan picked all of it up and gave to the old lady. The old lady was extremely pleased by Alan's behavior, and decided to give a stay for Alan as soon as she knew that he was homeless. So Alan got food, he got shelter, he got water, he got all the basic needs of a human being. Now it was time for him to work hard. So he went out of the house, and he decided to cut wood for his living. So a few months passed, and he actually made a pretty good living out of cutting wood. So he decided to stick with his current career, and decided to earn money like that. One day, while he was cutting wood, the axe and his axe was actually a wooden axe. And one day, that wooden axe, it slipped out of its Alan's hand, and it fell into a nearby pond. Alan, he did not know what to do, as that was the only axe which he had. So Alan was completely clueless, and was just sitting under the tree with great depression. And then a magical fairy came out of the pond, and it came near Alan with an golden axe and a silver axe, and also an axe made of rubies, diamonds, and so on. And Alan, he was completely shocked, and he said that no, none of these are my axes, and he said this without any hesitation. So this just proves us how an honest man Alan was. So and finally the fairy picks up his wooden axe, and Alan says, "Yes, this is mine, and I'll take only this." But the fairy, she was extremely pleased with Alan's behavior, and she was flattered. So she offered Alan all the axes, and explained everything. And Alan, he took it with the utmost elation, and went to the old lady and surprised the old lady with what he got. And it turns out that the old lady was indeed the magical fairy, and the magical fairy did all of us just to know how is Alan really honest and hardworking. And as we all know, the answer is that Alan is extremely hardworking, and of course an honest person. So because of his honesty, he is very wealthy. He was a very he became a very wealthy man. Even though he was very wealthy in his time, he was never proud of his wealth, and he was always humble to his superiors, and also to his inferiors. He always treated everyone equal. And from then, he inspired all of his family and led a happy life. Thank you.